I know you already know how to make moi moi, but trust me, on this recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another interesting way of making moi moi. If you're interested, keep watching. And by the way, help me to share this video. So I am starting up by blending my beans. I've already washed the beans neatly. I'm just going to add them in the blender. Go in with my ginger. If you have garlic, you can add. I don't have garlic. So I went in with 6 raw egg, and then I added tatashe on it. Next, I'm going to be adding water on it, and then I'm going to blend it smoothly. Once I add water, I'll cover it and then blend it smoothly. Like I said, there are many ways of making moi moi, but you see this very recipe, you are going to love it so much. So I will blend it smoothly, and then once I'm done blending it, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Moi moi is one of my favorite food. I love eating moi moi, and I've done couple of videos on how to make moi moi. This particular recipe is another interesting one you are going to love. You know, say your girl like to try new things. I saw this video on Instagram and I said to myself, I must give this a go. So I'm going to bleach my oil. While the oil is on the fire, I went in with my ingredients, which I'm going to be listing in the description box of this video. So I went in with corned beef, and then I added smoked fish, and then I'm going to be adding the leftover tatashe. I never wanted to waste anything from my kitchen. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Mix it until the ingredients go into the blended beans properly. Next, I'm going to be adding the oil. So I bleach the oil a little bit, not too much. I just add it on the moi moi, and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Dawn is breaking, a new day is inside. Just take a look at this mixture. It really came out nice. The color is so beautiful. So guys, next I'm going to be adding spinach on it. Yes, you heard me say spinach. So I added a lot of spinach, and then I'm going to mix it up until all the spinach go into the moi moi properly. And then once I'm done mixing it up, I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'm going to be putting my foil into the pot I'm going to use in cooking this moi moi. So I added foil and I added leaf on it because I don't want my pot to get burnt. So that is why I'm protecting it like that. Then I added water on it, little quantity of water. Cover it, allow it to boil. So first thing first, I'm going to proceed in roasting my leaf. You know, for Nigerian, now when they cook for firewood, you're cooking moi moi. This is how you do it. Then I dish the quantity I want into the leaf. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways to tie moi moi. For those of you that don't know how to use leaf like this to tie your moi moi, you can also do it this way. It's still going to come out nice. So I'll just wrap it like this and then put it in the pot. Chasing shadows, we reach for the light. So once I'm done putting it in the pot, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil. So next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wrap moi moi with leaf like a professional. So you can see how I folded this leaf. I folded it like a funnel. So for you to get this, you need to make use of 2 leaves. And then I'm going to add my mixture into it, and then I'll wrap it again gently. So look how it is inside. At this point, you can also add fish or meat inside, and then wrap it just the way you're seeing now on the screen. This is how it's going to look if you wrap it very well. I'm going to keep this one aside, and then I'll do another one for you. So you need 2 leaves for this. If you don't know how to wrap like me, so why they learn. So fold it like you're folding funnel, and then the back of it, bring it backward. And then that is it. Next, I'm going to be adding my mixture into it. At this point, try not to add too much because you don't want it to come out from the leaf. And then gently fold the mouth of the leaf and then bend it backward again. This is how it looks. Next, I'm just going to put them in the pot, cover it, and allow it to cook. So I added a little water on it. Remember, when you're cooking your moi moi with leaf, you don't need to add too much water on it unless you get spoiled. So I cover it and allow it to cook. Next, I'm going to show you how to wrap moi moi using paper foil like this if you don't have the plate foil at home. So just easily fold it the way I am folding it like this, and then you are going to get this shape. Next, I'm going to be pouring the mixture into it, and then I'm going to wrap it nicely. So this one, you can cook it on the stove. You can also bake it in the oven. It's still going to come out nice. So I'm going to be baking it in the oven. I'll just place it in the ceramic plate and then I'm going to put it in the oven, allow it to bake. So next, I'm just going to check the moi moi to see if it is ready. At this point, I think the moi moi is ready. I cooked it for about 45 minutes. So this is how the first one looked. It really came out nice. Guys, take a look at this. Next, I'm going to open the second one for you guys to see as well. Moi moi is one of my favorite food. I love it so much. Guys, take a look at this. This is beautiful. Without you testing it, you can tell that this is nice. This is amazing. If you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please help me to share it. This is a testing time we all has been waiting for, guys. This look amazing. I love the way it came out. And guess what? It tastes nice. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.